I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car cards to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the oh well. Need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Drink some water. Brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid.
Yo, 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 what's good? What is happening?
Stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on.
Yeah, what's happening, Roger?
Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day.
Yo, mad love to you all, man. That is crazy. Louder, yeah? Okay, cool. Give me a sec. Is that all good? Very little. Happy? Can you hear me? See how that is. How you doing? How you doing, all the new people?
Spring I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again.
I know I do need the rest, but guys, listen, tonight it is going to be a short live. The only reason it's going to be short also is I'm going to be doing the announcement for the final pair of trainers that are going to be given away, and that's going to be done for the Patreons. So we're going to do that tonight, and then I'm going to love you, leave you, and then you can go make your way over to Mike's channel as well. He's just going to do a kickback, chill session. You know, can answer any questions, help you out with anything on Bybit. Yeah, I think, yeah, just on Bybit, BitBuy. I don't even get it right at the best of times, you know. But yeah, and tomorrow as well, if there's anyone that's feeling a little gaming session, Mike's going to kick it off. You know, he can crack in a few hours. It's Mother's Day tomorrow, so I'm going to be spending time with the mother. You know, just catch up with everyone. So yeah, it's all good. It is all good. Okay. Right then. Right then. So, who we got in the room today? The tracks, man. I think they're the same tracks, guys. I need to get that shit sorted out. Marcelo, what's good, man? What is good? You're back. Okay then. Just looking, man, looking at your best day. It looks like a lot of people got paid today. Yeah? What's happening, Sonny Biggs? What's good? PC Shed, how you doing, my man? Brian G, what's good? Brando. Luana. Tony, my guy. My guy, Tony. What's happening, brother? Top boy. MK, how you doing? How many of you turned up? Yeah. Did you like the Forex session today, guys? I know you liked that session today. That was a good little session, that was. Although it was short, but it was a good session. Hey, Dora, how you doing? That's okay. You didn't get paid. It's the weekend. That's all good. You know? Secure the bag today. Wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Profit's a profit. This is it. Profit is a profit. You can go watch it again, Mr. Nobody. You can go and watch it again. It's in the members, the YouTube members Discord. I've posted it in there in the announcements. But message me and I'll send it to you again if you need to, man. Zero G, what's up, man? How you doing, bro? Carlos, sup, AKPC, how you doing, man? Wicked. Yeah, Bitcoin is at silly highs today. Actually hit a zone that I didn't anticipate her to hit, to be fair with you guys. You know, and it's like, I mean, the projection is just despicable how it played out. You know, we did initially have Bitcoin at the 60 mark, okay? And then you got Ethereum as well. Like, boy, Ethereum, man. Look at the projections right there. 1902. My next projection for Ethereum is 1946. But I'm expecting a little bit of a retrace first. But it's Saturday night, guys. It's going to calm down tonight. You know, I don't think we're going to get much activity. But, you know, we are going to see a retrace. Most definitely see a retrace. We'll see what happens with Sydney, Tokyo, and Hong Kong. I mean, I ain't going to be on the live long enough tonight. And, but I'm going to have tomorrow night off. And then we roll on again Monday. We start the week fresh. We got a new schedule kicking in. You know. A new schedule's going to be rolled out very soon as well. Well, it is actually rolled out, to be fair. So I'm going to let you guys know we're going to start on Monday with the new schedule. All right, because I've got to get this stuff sorted out. I've got to dedicate time to the patrons. You know, I've got to do videos for them as well. And I've got to do videos for the YouTube channel, for my subscribers and the members. And I ain't going to get a chance to do all of that if I'm continuously streaming. You know, people have got questions. They want things. They want you know, they need certain concepts that need clarifying, you know, and I can only really do that on a video. So it's all for the better purpose, guys. Don't worry. It's only for tier 3 Patreon. I mean, the patrons in tier 3 are automatically listed in any giveaway that we do. Okay, the final shoe tonight is for the tier 3 Patreons tonight. So there's a good 62 of the Patreons there. So one of them's gonna win the shoe tonight. I'm just reading the messages. Yeah, guys, look, I'm trying to use this. I'm gonna use after this live. Okay, hold on. JPEG, I lost a lot of money and I'm feeling down, man. Made 7K when I tuned into your weekday streams. When I traded by myself, I lost and lost. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. How far of a retrace? I'm gonna get to that in a second. I'm gonna cover that all. I'm then gonna go into the whole, you know, we're gonna look at the shoe. All right, get the giveaway done. All right, and then I'm gonna, you know, end the live and let you guys get back to doing the homework. Do your projections. You know, get on with the projections. It's important that you keep going through the projections, guys. Honestly, the projections are going to be the reason why you guys are going to be able to, you know, see a return on your time invested. Believe me, you know, because music is quite loud. Let me sort that out for you. You turn that right down. There we go. Yeah, I mean the projections. When I say projections, I mean you guys need to learn to do projections yourselves. You know, it's important that you get the projections down yourself because at the end of the day, if I were to just completely switch this channel, all right, and not continue to stream, you guys would have enough information on the live with all the previous videos to work out exactly what you need to do. And one of the fundamental things that needs to be done is a projection. You need to get used to doing projections yourself. You need to say to yourself, okay, cool. Marius, thank you very much, my friend. God bless you, man. Thank you very much. I know you're winning, man. I know you're winning. Like, for example, here we go. The W formation that has appeared on Ethereum. Now, I know there have been people today that have openly admitted that they doubted the system, which is fine. It's okay. You can, you know, there's no problem in doubting the system, guys. There is no problem whatsoever. I mean, it's, you know, different schools of thought, happy days. You know, I welcome anyone to use another system. And, you know, if it works for you, it works for you. Don't get me wrong. Not everyone uses the system. That's the thing. You know, not everyone uses the system. All right. Now, for me, it's like, I mean, looking at what Bitcoin did, how she beautifully just played out to the projection zones, man. It's crazy. 60K. You know, my next projection is the 70K mark. Where is it? Oh, I haven't put it up there. But no, I'm projecting 70K. Why? Because it's still in line with the average daily range. Look at the average daily range now, man. It's just gone up. So we are expecting bigger moves from Bitcoin. Why? Because look, its average daily range only just a few days ago was about 117,000. Now it's 200,000. Do you understand? Like this, oh God, as a trader, you look at that and you say the average daily range is 66,957 pips. Like what? That is crazy gains. You know, it's on this exchange, that is. You know, yeah, I thought I was off tonight as well, but I said I've got to what's that, Tony? Right, so the J-Lo, bro, what's he saying? Projected J-Lo and Arrowed splitting. What was that? Kanye and Kardashian, yeah? Okay then, cool. How many of you got in the room anyway? Let's see how many people we got. 584 of you in the room. I've shared it across the board, so you know, I am a little bit late tonight, guys. But yeah. Okay then. Right. So here we go. Ethereum. Sorry, Bitcoin. Came out of the zone completely, guys. I mean, the projection just played out. Sweet. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. You know, look, if you notice how the second leg came down, didn't violate the first leg, came back down, rise, up she went. You know? Now we're just working this zone. Sorry, we're working this zone right here. Am I expecting a retrace? Most definitely. I mean, look how distorted the moving averages. The move was just so much. It was too powerful for the exchange to handle. You know? Let me bring up the live web page. Bring that up for you. Okay. I mean, it was just an unbelievable day. How it played out. So the hourly time frame. Notice, pins to the low. Takes it out. 15-minute time frame, where's she at? Perfect. And there was a little mini W there as well, if you noticed it. This area here was ideally your entry as such. You know, now we're pulling back. We've hit the M5, 61,9,825. That is the zone that we hit. I mean, because of how extended this move is, I mean, if I look at the actual ADR, I mean, yeah, it's pulling back down a little bit. But I'm because there's a gap as well. You guys can't see. I don't know if you guys can see it, actually. I don't know if you can see this gap. All right. But look. See this gap right here. Gap right there. I think it needs to get filled. This time it needs to be filled. because the move is way extended. We're going to need to see some regulation in price, all right? Unless there is just so much more money due to come in. This is what I mean. Bitcoin does defy all technical aspects of price. It is frightening, you know? We're at the M5 right now. Sorry, we're above the M5. I'm expecting a pullback to at least the 50-day moving average on the 15-minute time frame, because when you look at the hourly, look where we are. You know, at the hourly, we've gapped up. That is a massive exhaustion right there. They're going to start working short. So I genuinely think that we're now on the way for a pullback. This is going to be the first pullback to the moving average. Because what happens when price breaks out of the W formation, it always pulls back. It always pulls back. Continuation to the upside. What's the near-term projection point? I'm looking at 65 potentially. 64, 65. I'll get it labeled out. Price projection point. Well, let's say no. Let's get it to 64 right there. Okay. That's the next projection point. You know? Because what's happened is Bitcoin has formed the pattern down here. Rise, retrace. Okay. Now, we have come, because this is level 1 here. Rise up here, level 1. Rise, level 2. Okay. Rise up here, level 2. There's level 2. Now, we know that we are expecting another move to the upside. If you go and watch last night's video, I break this down for you clearly. All right. We are expecting another move to the upside. All right. And that's exactly what happened. They broke out, formed level 3 move to the upside. What are we expecting? We're expecting a retrace. That retrace is effectively going to be building a pattern. All right. But that all depends on what they decide to do. Because if they do pull price back, okay, which is what this zone will be here, okay, they could end up forming another W, because we won't know until they're done. Like I said to you guys, naturally, the projection zone from the previous W formation here, all right, has come up level 1, level 2, rise up, level 3 peak formation. So if this is level 3, we may see a little bit more movement to the upside, which will take us to the 64. Then we will see a pattern. Okay? That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this setup to occur. Because psychologically, look what's happened. They've been working this zone for such a while. Okay? They've been working it for a while. And now they've moved out of the zone. I tip that Bitcoin needs to move, on average, 66,957 pips. Well, it's only moved 34,000 today. All right. So it's still within its average daily range. It still needs to hit another 30,000 plus. So 66,000 from this breakout here, this move to the upside, will take us directly to what? That is disgusting. I pulled that off out of the blue. That is crazy. I've got my ADR game down to a T. That is nuts. That is absolutely crazy. I can't believe I just did that. The projections are just disgusting, man. Bitcoin is behaving really well for us, man. Really well. In line with the ADR. You've seen videos, all right, of me talking about the importance of the ADR. Anyone that came to the Forex class today, all right, saw the power of the ADR. I'm talking down to a decimal, man. It was frightening, you know, absolute frightening. Principally, TGA, principally, that's what happens, you know, principally, that's exactly what happens. Guys, the ADR is the range that price moves. In Forex, it's the range that price moves, okay, before it actually needs to retrace back. It's where the market makers get a chance to make a run for money. Now, remember, they can't really exceed above that ADR too much. Why? Because they'll break the market, you know? For example, when Elon Musk declared that, this is my point, right? This is my point about how the news beforehand about Elon Musk, okay, the news beforehand that came out, it's a controlled move. He was buying Bitcoin way before this big move happened, okay? So here's that move right there. I think it's that. Yes. There's that move. Or is it? Hold on. No, this is the move. I believe that's the move. It's either that one. No, I think it's this one. Yeah, this is this is Elon talking about buying Bitcoin. Notice it moved within its average daily range in that move alone. And then the session ended, okay? And then it started a new range, okay? And it worked its way. It didn't really do much of a move that day, okay? But what I'm saying to you is if that was really the case and Elon Musk did buy on that day and he put all his orders in on that day, this move would have been all the way up here, guys. It would have completely thrown the market out because a massive pump of liquidity would have gone in. And they can't do that to the market. The market makers controlled the zone. They controlled it. The true move was from this point to this point. They couldn't allow the price to do that in one single move. All right. So they did it in segments. One, waited a little bit and then pushed up, waited for the new session, continued back up. All right. The power of the ADR is just there, guys. It's such a powerful tool and it's a free tool. It's just how you understand it. That's the key thing. You know, right now, what am I expecting from Bitcoin? I'm expecting a slight pullback. That's what I'm looking for. You can see right here, they've pulled out the short. Whoa. What is that? No. Is that right? Am I seeing things here? No, that's not a candle. There's something wrong there. That scared the life out of me, man. Okay, then. So, yeah. This is where we at. Right here. We're just waiting for the patterns to play out now, guys. I'm expecting a retrace, but the cycle's not over yet. The cycle is not over. We've got a lot of work to do. All right, and now I'm going to look at Ethereum. That's Ethereum right there. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Here we go. Ethereum, same story. There's your W formation. Now look at Ethereum, guys. I need you to look at Ethereum. Pay attention to this bit here. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. What do we know about the number 3? You know, what do we know about the number 3? Yeah, do you see it? Mike Whittle, do you see that massive candle? Can you see it? It has to be a glitch. I genuinely think it is a glitch because Bitcoin has completely blown the chart, man. Look at the moving average. It's completely distorted the moving average. You can't handle it. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. You know, do you understand why, guys, why? Be careful when you trade weekends, man, because look, that looks like they've spiked price all the way down. I mean, if I zoom out, how far does that move go? Nah. Can't keep going all the way down, all the way down. When does it stop? Nah, it has to be a glitch, man. Has to be a glitch. That's what I mean about the pressure from the buys on Bitcoin, man. There has to be a glitch. There's no way that Bitcoin would have done that without starting a stir. You know? Crazy moves, crazy. Let me see how that works. Ah, oh, God. What have you done? Oh, God. Oh, shocker. What has happened here? All right, I'm going to get rid of this chart. Okay. Here we go. Ethereum is looking like she wants to go up higher. I just don't trust it, man. It's a big gap up. I do not trust it. Litecoin. Litecoin's trailed up perfectly. Beautiful. Pin to the high, pin to the high, pin to the high. Yeah, you see the 3 pins to the lows. Understand, always, the moving averages are massive indicators right now. They are massive indicators. So important. Look, triple low, triple bottom right here. W formation, hit it low. 1, 2, 3 times. Up it went. When you look upon closer inspection, just look, pins to the low, pin to the low. Your entry on an advanced entry basis, guys, I mean, there's so many ways you could have entered on this. You could have entered here, you could have entered here, you could have entered here. This would have been the sweet spot, okay? You would have entered on the crossover of the moving averages right there. That would have been a safe entry right there. Do you see where the safe entry falls? It falls in line with the start of the middle pattern right there. Yeah? Bring it back for you. Look. If you were to draw a line from this zone here, okay, your entry would have been at the crossover of the moving averages right here. Yeah? Right, let me pull up EOS. Let me pull up EOS because EOS is obviously something's kicking off with EOS. Let's have a look. Okay then. Right, let me pull this up here. Where are you? Okay, happy days. Where we at? EOS, what you got for me? EOS breaking down. Forming the pattern. Oh, God, look at EOS, guys. Look at this for education. Drop. W formation. All right. Retrace. Continuation to the upside. First move pulls out. Retrace. 3 pins to the low. 1, 2, 3. Working the lows. Trapping in the retail traders. Stepping in. Rise. Level 1. Rise level 1 right there. Okay. Rise level 2. Confirm. Rise level 3. Peak formation. Complete the cycle. M pattern. Rise up. M formation. Drop level 1. Retrace level 1. Level 2. Retrace level 2 right there. Now what am I expecting? I'm expecting another move to the downside. All right. Continuation. Hit the range daily low. Rise up. Peak formation again. And the game starts. Yeah. Textbook cycle, guys. I've been doing this drawing for you for the past however long. Watch last night's stream. It's there. Do you understand? It's all there. It plays out perfectly every single time. You know? Yeah, I know I'm lagging, guys. I know. I know there's a little bit of a lag, guys. I'm trying to get that sorted out. Well, actually, no. It says excellent connection. It does say excellent connection. A little bit of a lag. Why am I a bad man? Hey, man, why? You know, how many guys are new to the stream tonight, guys? How many of you are new? Drop it down to 720, guys, if it's lagging, man. That's what I mean. I'm going to try, because I'm not at my normal spot. Yeah, I'm not at my normal, you know. So I've come to see the mother. So this is why the live's going to be short and sweet. It got my IP, you know. You know. Let me pull that up for you. Let me have a look at it. Yeah, it's saying to me that I've got a bit of a lag, I think. Thank you, guys. This week, yep. Here we go. Let me just bring the chart across for you. All right, and cool. So Bitcoin looks like she's pumping back up in this zone right here. Notice there's no gap up. Yeah, there's no gap up. But what do we see? We can see it. 3 vector candles. Rise, retrace, continuation. I mean, we're going to see a retrace. Have to see a retrace. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting at least a little bit of a pullback. But then again, she could just continue. You know, we've got Hong Kong starting in a bit as well. You know, so we've got to be careful. Got to be extremely careful. Right. Let me pull up SNX. Interesting. W formation at the bottom. Very small one. Price has now hit the rise. Taken out the 50-day. We're expecting a pullback continuation to the upside. Maybe. So we've got drop. W formation, rise, retrace, continuation to the upside, M422 projection of the SNX. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah. Am I still expecting that projection? Most definitely expecting the happy days projection on SNX. Most definitely. That's what I'm looking for. CHZ. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at CHZ, man. Look at that for a projection. Drew that M. I remember when I drew that M, and she's done exactly just that. Wow. In for days, guys. Look at that. That M was drawn previously, and she's done just that. Rise, retrace, broke out. There's the one projection point came up. Man, that is killer. That is absolutely killer. Here we go. Wide. See, there you go. Classic example of an M formation, guys. Rise, retrace, another attempt to the high. Another attempt to the high. Doesn't take out the previous high. It doesn't matter even if it is such a high wick. Look, doesn't matter. As long as it doesn't take out that zone. Because remember, there are guys that went long in this area here. There are guys that went long. They tapped the liquidity in that zone. You know? Tap the liquidity in that zone. Just made my biggest profit from a trade with Mana. That is awesome. Viral video. Oh, man. I got so much profit waiting to take more, my friend. Make sure you pay yourself, man. Make sure you pay yourself. It is important. There's no point in coming to these streams and these lives and learning the concept and you ain't paying yourself from the concept. Right now, look. Chills. Potential W formation at the 50-day moving, sorry, at the 200-day moving average, which is the 50-day. Is this support on the 50-day? Seeing another move to the upside, but the move today is just too strong. They need to reset the market. They have to reset everything. Where we at? Bitcoin trailing up slowly. I mean, frankly, guys, in my opinion, there are no trades. Right now, it's getting ready for, I mean, Tokyo going to come into play. And, you know, you got to be very careful, guys. You are now trading in the all-time high area. And we know who trades the all-time highs. The Moon Boys. Look, price to this area here. Happy days. We needed their liquidity so that it could move higher. If we were watching this pattern here, we would have been entering in this zone right here. Happy days. The Moon Boys took it for us. That's why I've called the thumbnail, Thanks Moon Boys. They are the guys that made it happen. Can you play the Bitcoin USD Euro arbitrage? In what sense, my friend? Okay. Let me have a look. Ethereum Bitcoin. Oh, wow. There you go. Look at that sharp W formation. If you look below the TDI, shows you a W right there outside the volatility band, ever so slightly back in. Okay. So yeah, that is where we at. Do I ever scalp the all-time highs? EOS. Like, I don't get EOS. What happened to EOS? I've already looked at EOS, man. Where is it? EOS. How are people saying it's gone crazy? Am I looking at the right EOS? That is a different EOS. That is a different EOS to what I've got. Why? Huh? That's bizarre. That's the first time I've come across that. Oh my God. Right, look at this. That's the first time I've seen this. That's EOS, yeah? Are we agreed that you can see EOS, yeah? You can see what price it's at, yeah? Now, I don't know why. I do not know why. But why on earth? Why on earth is EOS here? Has the market closed on IC markets? It must be. It must have closed. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's not trade. They've got it off. Oh wow. Wow, look. Look. We just, oh my God, I can't believe what's just happened. No. Look. Okay, look. Look. Here we go. Check this out. Check this out. So EOS currently right now is closed on IC markets. So they don't put the live feed on for it because it's down as a crypto too. It's the second set. Okay. They've only got Bitcoin, Ethereum open right now. Okay. Oh shit. Look at this. This is crazy. Wow. Check this out. Talk about projection, yeah? Look at this. We agree that that is EOS. Cycle of EOS right here. We said that it was M formation, level 1, level 2, level 3, peak formation, yeah? We're expecting her to go back to the upside, all right? And that was when it was at $3.75, okay? Now, look at what she's doing right now. The pattern there, look. The pattern played out. Oh, shit. Oh, my days. Just predicted what had happened already. I did not know that. No way, guys, man. We expected that. And then I just looked at EOS. That is crazy. I need a drink for that, man. Shit. I can't believe I just done that. Nah, it couldn't have been staged. No way. There is no way it could have been staged. You guys have witnessed that. I was just literally delirious. I thought, hold on, why is everybody talking about EOS? You know, it's coming out from a formation. Like, what's so exciting about that? And I've looked at this. Shit. You can see clearly, guys, right? You can see clearly that the market itself is closed. It's not moving. The last price point was $3.75. All right. Now, when you look at it, all right, you can clearly see that it's just smashing up the highs. It's formed that. Anyone doubt the system, please tell me, man. Yeah, I know it's mad lag, man. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry to my proper setup. I'm at my mother's, man. So please bear with. You know? Oh, man. Shit, man. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why tonight I'm getting bad lag. Showing a screenshot of IC markets. Are you serious, bro? Let's bring it back to you then. You're showing a screenshot, yeah? Okay, here's a screenshot. Okay. Tell me on a screenshot, can you move a screenshot? Draw a line. On a screenshot, can you actually type? Screenshot. Screenshot, there you go. Screenshot. I love it. I absolutely love it. Happy days, man. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. We're going to get into the game of trading crypto now. We're going to do it. I know you are, man. I don't know why they don't trust me. I don't get it. There are a lot of people that have said that they don't, you know, they don't. I don't know, man. I don't get why people are doubting it, man. And you know what? People have come to me and they've admitted it as well. You know, I don't get it. Is it too good to be true? No, it's not. You know, it's the basis of understanding the patterns. You've been with me for nearly 6 weeks, guys. Why are we doubting now? You know, this is what I don't get. Why are people doubting it now? There's something, you know, what is it that's causing people to go, you know, and think, hold on a sec, it doesn't work. Is it because of its simplicity? You know, because if it is, you're going to struggle in this game. If you're looking for something really complicated, just to solidify the reason why you're not performing well, then boy, you're going to be spending a lot of time and a lot of money in this game. You know, this pattern, look, W formation from that point, rise, M formation, drop W. That is disgusting. I think cryptocurrency is getting easier compared to Forex. Man, oh man. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to make the decision. Okay? Well, look, man, it's our price, guys. You know? Do I ever apply Elliott wave theory to the strategy? No, I don't, to be fair. And people have said this is like the Wyckoff theory. Yeah, fundamentally, it doesn't. I believe it is the Wyckoff principle. Not really looked at the Wyckoff principle, to be honest with you. All right? But I look at using the W's and the M's are the templates. You know? Like when you do tracing, like a tattoo artist, right? If he gets the template of the artwork that he has to draw onto the person, it doesn't mean that he's going to perform well on it. You know, he can make a mistake. You know, I use the M's and the W's as a template, all right? If I see price performing in a certain fashion and it achieves the pattern, happy days. I profit from it, you know? But there is so much more behind the pattern. Where are we in lines of the moving averages? You know, where's price? Is it above the 50-day, above the 200-day? You know, how many pins to the low? How many pins to the high? What are they trying to do? They're trying to induce retail traders. What are they trying to grab? Are they pinning the high? Are they doing vector candles? You know, what cycle are we in? Are we in level 1, level 2? Where are we going? You know, to simply think it's just drawing. I know it looks like I'm just drawing a W and then hoping for the best. You know? Nah, that's wrong. No chance. Golden Hue, paid yourself $600 this morning before going out for breakfast. That was a really expensive breakfast. Nice one, Golden Hue. Look, guys, listen. Whether you believe it or not, okay, I'm still going to be here. Said it yesterday in the interview with Mike Dutch. You know, if I were to stop doing this YouTube thing, I'll still be trading. You know, it won't stop. I said I would use the YouTube channel as a means of a journal to document my trading, you know, just to talk about patterns and everything else with it. All right. For me, that's what it is. You know, take what you will of it. You know, I can't believe the lag is unreal. Don't, man. Oh.